Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to look at how to solve linear equalities and how to plot them on a number line. So we'll start off a bit easy, then we'll do a medium question and then a hard question. So make sure you stick around for the whole video because we're going to go through all three levels and become experts at this. Okay, so let's start off with a nice easy one. We've got 2x plus 5 is greater than 11. So a little hack is just treat this inequality sign as an equal sign for now. And just do what you would do in algebra. So in algebra, you want to rearrange this equation so that the pronumeral, the x, is by itself. So step one is we want to get rid of this positive 5. So we're going to bring it to the left-hand side. To the right-hand side, sorry. So my left-hand side is 2x. And my right-hand side is 11 take 5. And remember, anytime you take anything across the inequality sign or the equal sign, it becomes the opposite. So because it was a positive 5 on the left, when it came across the right, it became negative 5. So hopefully that is clear and that makes sense. So yeah, then we'll just left with 2x is greater than 11 take 5, and 11 take 5 is 6. And then we just want to get rid of this 2. So we just divide both sides by 2. That gets rid of that. And so x is greater than 3. And if I had to plot this on a number line, let's say 3 is here, 4, 5, and that would be 2, 1. So x is greater than, so we draw a hollow circle, we don't colour it in. If it was greater than or equal to, so if it had that line underneath, then you would colour it in, but not in this case. And it's greater than, so it goes towards the right. Nice and easy. Hopefully you're feeling good, you understand that. Let's connect that because that should be connected. And that was our warm-up question. Okay, let's go one level harder. So the next question I have for you is 2 take x on 3 is less than or equal to 4. So feel free to pause this video, have a bit of a go at this if you're feeling good, if you're feeling confident. But don't worry, we are going to go for it. So let's do that. Maybe you've had a bit of a go, maybe you prefer to watch. Either way is fine for now, but just make sure you do practice this at the end, because maths is not a passive subject, it is about doing it. So the more practice you do, it just becomes second nature. And trust me, it is so fun when you solve algebraic equations. Maths is such a good subject. It's such a fun subject. Once you get the hang of it, you will really enjoy it. And you may already enjoy the subject now. Let me know how you find maths. Actually, I'm quite interested to know that. But let's solve this. So we're going to get rid of this 2 first. So let's bring it to that side. So left-hand side just stays neg x on 3. A lot of students forget this negative. So that negative is attached to the x. So do not forget it. Be really careful of that. And is less than or equal to 4. And that 2 was positive on the left. So on the right, it becomes negative. And we can work that out. 4 take 2 is 2. Okay, next we want to get rid of this 3. So we're going to bring that 3 across. It's a divide, so when you bring it across, it becomes multiplied. So we just have neg x is less than or equal to 2 times 3, which is 6. I don't want to know what negative x is, I want to know what x is. So what do? We divide both sides by neg 1. But do you remember our rule for inequalities? When you multiply or divide by a negative, it flips the inequality. So instead of it being less than, it is flipped. It becomes greater than or equal to. And 6 divided by neg 1 is neg 6. Boom. Well done. If you got that right, hopefully you were able to follow that through. Let's not forget to plot that on my number line. So let's plot my number line. Let's say neg 6 is here. That means neg 5, neg 4. That would be neg 7, that would be neg 8. So x is greater than or equal to -6. So at -6, we're going to draw the circle and we're going to color it in. And x is greater than, so it goes towards the right hand side. Nice. Okay, time for one more, our hardest one, level 3. Are you ready? Of course you are. And we've got this. Let's go. 4x plus 1 is greater than 7x take 2. You reckon you want to give this one a bit of a go? You might as well. Feel free to pause this video, have a bit of a go to see if you could solve this. Some of you might be able to do it in your head. That would be super impressive if you can. But I need to do it by pen and paper, so please do use pen and paper, write this out, and don't forget to plot it on your number line. Okay, so let's go through this. So we want to bring x's to one side. So we're going to bring that 7x to this side. And we want to bring pronumerals to the other side. So this +1 we want to bring to this side. Okay, so my left hand side now is 4x, and that 7x was positive on the right, so when you move it across it becomes negative. And then we still have this greater than, and you still got -2 on this side, so watch out for that sign. Remember, don't forget the negatives. And the 1, when you move it across, it becomes take 1. Okay, 4x take 7x is -3x. Hopefully you could all see that because we're going negative. And at -2 take 1, again we're going more negative, is -3. Final step, divide by -3 in order to get x by itself. Remember, the sign flips when you divide or multiply by a negative. So it will be x is less than, and -3 divided by -3 is 1. Beautiful, isn't that easy? And let's plot that in. Let's say 1 is here, 2, 3, that will be 0, -1, -2, and x is less than 1. So circle, we don't colour it in, towards the left hand side. Excellent. Well, thanks for sticking around and watching all 3 of those examples. Hopefully you're feeling good, you're feeling better, and this was fun because we're all about learning and enjoying mathematics, which is a super fun subject. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video where we'll do some more maths and have some more fun. Bye bye.